Apple may be getting ready to do something we haven't really seen from the Mac lineup before: go seriously affordable. According to recent reports and rumors, Apple could be developing a new Mac that may arrive at a price of around $399. And if that price turns out to be accurate, this could be one of the most interesting Macs Apple has introduced in years. The rumored machine is being referred to as the Mac Neo. But here's the big question. How could Apple possibly sell a Mac for just $399 without turning it into a slow, outdated computer? The answer may come down to one very important decision: the chip. Instead of using one of Apple's more expensive M-series processors, the Mac Neo is rumored to use an A-series chip, similar in concept to the silicon Apple already develops for its mobile devices. And honestly, that idea isn't as strange as it sounds. Apple's A-series chips have become extremely powerful while remaining remarkably efficient. These processors are designed to deliver strong performance without consuming huge amounts of power. For a computer aimed at everyday users, that could be more than enough. Think about what most people actually do on a basic computer. They browse the web, watch YouTube and Netflix, attend video meetings, write documents, check email, use cloud applications, manage photos, and handle school or office work. You don't necessarily need an expensive M-series processor for those tasks. And that's exactly where the Mac Neo could make sense. If Apple can combine an efficient A-series chip with a lightweight version of its desktop hardware, the company could potentially build a machine that's compact, quiet, and inexpensive to operate. There's even speculation that a highly efficient design could reduce the need for traditional active cooling. Now, obviously, Apple would have to make compromises somewhere. A $399 Mac isn't going to replace a MacBook Pro or a Mac Studio. The rumored entry-level configuration could potentially include 8 GB of memory and relatively limited storage, which would immediately make this machine less attractive to professional users and anyone running demanding workloads. And just like Apple's current Macs, users may not have much flexibility when it comes to upgrading the memory or storage later. But here's the important part. The Mac Neo wouldn't necessarily be designed for power users. Its target audience could be completely different. Imagine a student who wants a reliable computer for school without spending over $1,000. Or a family looking for a simple desktop for browsing, streaming, homework, and everyday tasks. Or someone who already owns an iPhone and wants to enter Apple's desktop ecosystem without paying the premium price of a higher-end Mac. That's where the Mac Neo could become genuinely interesting. Because you're not just buying hardware. You're potentially getting access to the wider Apple ecosystem: macOS, iCloud, AirDrop, iMessage, continuity features, and easy integration with an iPhone. That ecosystem is one of Apple's biggest advantages, and bringing it down toward the $399 price range could significantly change the entry point for new Mac users. It could also put pressure on inexpensive Windows desktops and mini PCs. But Apple would have to get the balance right. The machine needs to be affordable, but it also needs to feel like a real Mac. If performance is smooth, the software experience is polished, and Apple provides years of updates, buyers may be willing to overlook limited storage or memory. And there's another possibility worth watching. Apple could use the Mac Neo to expand the Mac brand into markets where a traditional Mac has simply been too expensive. Instead of trying to convince existing Mac users to downgrade, Apple could be trying to convince millions of people who have never owned a Mac to finally give one a chance. That's a much bigger opportunity. Of course, there's an important disclaimer here. The Mac Neo is still based on reports and rumors, and Apple has not officially confirmed the product, its specifications, or a $399 price. So we should treat the current information as speculation until Apple actually announces something. But if Apple really does launch a $399 Mac, it could become one of the company's most disruptive entry-level products in years. Not because it would be the fastest Mac, not because it would replace the MacBook Pro, but because it could make the Mac experience accessible to a completely different audience. And that may be the real story behind the Mac Neo. So, if Apple actually launched a Mac Neo for $399, would you buy it? Or would you spend more money on an M-series Mac for better performance and more storage? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the latest Apple leaks, rumors, and upcoming products, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.